Hello everybody, this is Whispering Fury
and Screaming Skrill. Welcome to our new channel. We're all Dragon Riders here, and if you want to be one, please subscribe and say a comment about this little fella.
Hi, I'm Toofus. I'm cute.
Now, for our playlist, what we're going to be doing a few other things. Of course, we'll be doing School of Dragons. Then we'll be doing, what else? Probably Lilith's Pet Shop. And we'll be doing little short videos about our pets, because they're really weird in a few times. I don't know why, but I think it's just them. What do you think?
Well, I think they're really cute.
Same thing with me. Now, what we're going to be doing most of the time is games. So we'll, like always, we'll be doing Minecraft. We will be doing Super Mario Bros. On the Wii. It'll probably be...
I like flipping.
By the way, write in the comments, why is Toofus so weird?
I'm flipping out.
Oh, I get it. Oh my goodness.
I'm glad we got that on tape.
Please put a thumbs up for that weird flip that Toofus just did.
Oops.
Okay, we'll be showing you Astrid and Stormfly.
Whoop, whoop.
Hi everyone.
Ooh.
By the way,
Roast my face. Ow.
like Screaming Skrill said, we will be doing a few playlists. And just to let you know, we'll be doing toy reviews. You'll be seeing tons of my friends. But they're not in boxes, so they're not technically new, like me. I'm pretty old. And plus, you won't be seeing the unboxing stuff. We'll just be showing you what the toys do and what they look like. You're back on, Screaming Skrill.
But
Thank you.
But we will be, well, I forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, on Christmas and Easter, we will be unboxing toys that we get, and we will be showing things that we got from Easter and Christmas, because that'll be a really fun idea. And I may do videos on my stuffed animals, and I've got a little surprise if I show you guys that. And we will also be doing the stuff that Screaming Skrill said. So yeah, I was just gonna tell you, I'm also kind of artsy-fartsy myself, so I make a lot of, I take boxes and I basically make houses.
You fart.
So I basically take boxes and turn them into houses, pools, baths, and it's so fun. You guys really need to try it. So when I bring out my stuffed animals, I will show you them all. Maybe, kind of.
Well, I think she will, because she has more than 100.
That was what I was going to say.
Sunny, don't worry. I think not everyone will be seeing this. Put a thumbs up if you like this video. We're just going to say hi. We're new, and we would love to see subscribers. And plus, we're doing a new thing. If you want to become a Dragon Rider, write in the comments who your name is. We'll give you a dragon to be, and you have to subscribe to be a Dragon Rider. Or you can just thumbs up. We really don't care what you do. You can, if you don't like it, you don't have to do it. But if you want to be a Dragon Rider, we will let you in the video. We'll see y'all later. Screaming Skrill here.
But before we leave, I'm pretty sure there is someone you would love to meet. It's Hiccup! And this Hiccup actually came with a Drago with a fire sword and his little staff. And his helmet can come off. That's fun.
He's pretty accessible, which means he has a lot of accessories. But just to give you a warning, his sword doesn't really fit in his hand. It'll fall out once in a while. But Screaming Skrill here will be seeing you in a little bit.